Good morning, dear students. After a 2 days break, we are meeting, and in the subject of accountancy, after completing the ledger accounts, we have started the chapter trial balance and errors. You know, trial balance is a record which is made once the ledger accounts are closed. This trial balance usually is made at the end of the year with the help of balances of various ledger accounts. Different ledger accounts show debit or credit balances. They are shown in the trial balance as a list of the balances of different ledger accounts. And this trial balance is made for the purpose to check the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. Normally what happens when journal entries are properly made, different subsidiary books are properly made, different ledger accounts are also properly posted, and they are balanced and total in the right manner. When we make the trial balance, the debit total of the trial balance matches with the credit total of trial balance. And this is known as the tallying the trial balance, matching the trial balance. But in this chapter, we will also learn that in case the trial balance does not tally, then what happens? The very first indication is that there are some errors in the books of accounts. Either in the journal or in the ledger accounts, there are some mistakes committed in the records. So, trial balance does not match. Total of debit side, debit column does not match with the total of credit column. And it is said that trial balance is not tallying, is not matching. So in such a situation, when the trial balance does not match with each other, means total of debit side and credit side does not match with each other, the accountant places the difference to a newly opened account, which is known as a suspense account, because he is at the end of the accounting year. And just after the preparation of trial balance, he has to make the financial statements. So he is in a hurry. He does not have the time to check the records and find out the error, because it will take time. Maybe hours, maybe days or weeks sometimes. So in such a situation, the difference of debit total and the credit total he places to a newly opened account, which is known as a suspense account. But what happens when he enters in the new accounting year? He checks all the previous records which he has made and find out the errors. Then only he rectifies the errors, and automatically this suspense account which was created in the trial balance, that was the difference between debit total and credit total, automatically it is closed. So this is the validity of trial balance.